So let's pretend you've finished your course here. You are a professional interior designer. Congratulations. And you have a new client, and they have a particular address, a particular building site that they want you to do a project on. How do you know which codes apply to that particular site? Well, let's find out. Here we are in California. If you're doing a project in a different state, you'll have to follow the state building codes. But in California, we follow the California Building Code. And here's how to find it. Here is a link right here. But say you're away from my class for a while and you've forgotten what it is. It's really easy to find. Let's go find it. What you'll want to search for is California Building Code. And click on this link that says Building Standards Commission. Here's the home page for the California Building Standards Commission. These are the people that create and enact the building codes. And we can click right here on Codes. And here are the links to the California Building Codes. It tells you which kind of code. This particular one that they have a link here is for the 2019, which is effective January 1st, 2020. That's not what we want. We're looking for 2016 because your project is starting right now and you're expecting to submit for permit before January 1st. And part 1 is administrative code. Most likely don't need that. Part 2, here's your California Building Code. Volume 1, again, probably not anything that you need. Volume 2, this is your main section of building code right here. However, you're doing a residential project, so let's scroll all the way down to part 2.5, California Residential Code. I'm going to click right here. This takes us directly to link to the codes. We're interested in 2016 California Residential Code, and it looks like there's been a couple of updates. Here's the first printing, here is the latest one, so we'll click on the latest one, might as well. And over here are all of the different chapters. Say we're interested in a particular question about foundations, we can click on Chapter 4. Chapter 4, Foundations. They're divided into sections. So here we have section R for residential, 4 for Chapter 4, and then section 01. And then the first paragraph in that section is going to be point 1. And then they use an outline format after that. So sections under that are going to be point 1, point 2, etc. If you want to refer to a specific, for example, this piece right here, this exception, that would be R401.1.1.